We are at the Bhavani Shankar Mandir, the temple in Brampton, when Galaxy Decor did the decor work. So we use the Sunbelt company skyjack and the forklift. It was a unique project, first to bring the skyjack on the level of the building. So it's 13 feet up by the forklift, and after we use the skyjack itself to make beautiful designs in the temple. Highly recommended company, Sunbelt. Amazing professionals, affordable prices. Now what we did in this beautiful temple, the Galaxy Decor created the wall designs. First of all on the dome and the altar. Now, really interesting work of the Indian gods created on top of the 50 feet high dome. So there are 4 Lord Shiva god and very detailed professional work with all the details of the human body on the panels 8 by 4, and it was all done on the skyjack by the company Sunbelt. Highly recommended by Galaxy Decor. Thank you, Sunbelt.